Over $1 billion has been raised for nonprofits and personal causes since the launch in 2015. Over 20 million people have donated to or started a Facebook fundraiser, and $300 million of that is from birthdays. So today I want to show you how easy it is to create a fundraiser on Facebook. So you simply click on the fundraiser button on the left. You can also go to create and fundraiser if you'd like to go that way. But on the side you'll see some shortcuts, so different fundraisers from your friends. And you can look up different fundraiser categories: arts and culture, community and social action, crisis relief. There are a lot to choose from. You can see what is popular on Facebook. And then, as always, Facebook has fabulous tools to support you, to check out frequently asked questions, and to get started. So you can raise money for you or a friend that would be deposited into your bank account. But what most people do is raise money for a nonprofit. So this money will go directly to the nonprofit. We'll select American Diabetes Association. $200. You can obviously change this, and then what date your fundraiser will end. Fundraisers are public, so anybody on or off Facebook can see them, but only people on Facebook can donate. So we'll say this is my birthday fundraiser for the American Diabetes Association. And then I would encourage you to give a good story as to why you're raising money, or maybe more information about that nonprofit you're choosing to support. And then you'll select a cover photo or video. And then you would click create. The great thing with the nonprofit fundraisers here is that 100% of those proceeds are given to the nonprofit. Facebook does not take any fee. But like I said, it's very easy to create. And then it's also very easy to find different fundraisers that you may be interested in.